Matriarchy is defined by 5 characteristics that I list in this video, but there are 4 secondary, sometimes surprising characteristics as well. In this video, I will share them and show you how they, paradoxically, led to the devaluation of women. Finally, I will address 3 ways in which we can revalue women in our modern society. The 4 secondary characteristics of matriarchy are 1. Sisterhood. Women cooperate. During matriarchy, women had each other's backs and formed strong sisterhood bonds, even with women from different tribes. If you want to know why and how women were driven away from sisterhood and into competing, envious, and backstabbing behavior, watch this video. 2. Women are crucial for survival. During matriarchy, women had to birth, feed, carry, protect, heal, care for, and raise multiple children, often in the absence of the men who went out hunting. This made them vital for both the reproduction and the survival of the species. 3. Women were considered to be closest to the great goddess, and as such, they were prophetesses, shamans, and priestesses, practiced magic, and developed and used various divination tools. And finally, the characteristic that surprises and liberates many people. 4. Wisdom and knowledge is held by women. During patriarchy, women were mostly denied access to education and knowledge, and that makes it seem as though men were always superior in knowledge and intelligence. Yet during matriarchy, it was the women who held the knowledge. Women were the ones who knew, for example, which herbs to use for healing, how to make pottery to store food, or how to weave fabrics to make clothes. In fact, women were the first inventors. It was women who invented spinning, pottery making, tools to work the land, etc., etc. However, this progress in efficiency led to a decrease of the necessity of women for survival. This then led to a decline of the value of women, and with rising population due to the female inventions, a surge in the value of men, because they, as warriors fighting off attacking tribes or fighting to keep their food, became increasingly important for the survival of the species. So how do we reinstate the value of women in modern society, where women are no longer crucial for survival and less crucial for reproduction? First of all, the knowledge that women were the first inventors and brought us progress and prosperity has the power to liberate women from the shackles of inferiority. Secondly, the realization that patriarchy has led to overexploitation, war, oppression, pollution, consumerism, addiction, aggression, and failed societies shows women, and non-binaries for that matter, that their innate feminine qualities are needed to rescue both the planet and our species. Lastly, with women creating new cross-cultural sisterhoods, women themselves play an important part in valuing, appreciating, and empowering their sisters and their daughters. Yuletide, also called the Mother Nights, was used intensively for divination purposes. The Yuletide journal that accompanies the book Secrets of the Yuletide Nights guides you in understanding your prophecies for the new year and influence them.